Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Yo, these glasses is fire. Yeah, what's stuff, bro? What? Yo! Bro, did you see? Yo, I'm about to go there. Put him on. Bang, ding, bang, ding, bang, ding, biddy, ding, ding, bang, ding, bang, ding, bang, ding, biddy, ding, ding, dung, ba, dung, 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 dung, ding, ding, bru, ba, dung, dung, diggy, diggy, ding, ding, bru, dung, di, ding, di, ding, ding, bang, ba, dung, dung, bru, dung, ba, dung, dung, bru, da, ba, dung, dung, ba, dung, 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 ba, dung, dung, ding, 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 I said ding, 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 I said dung, dang, dung, dang, dung, dang, dung, dang, brrrr, bang, ba, dang, dang, ba, dung, ding, 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 whoa! Watch out, girl, hey, ba, dang, ding.
Call her, see how she doing.
What?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
What's up, Shanice? How you doing?
Not so good. I'm all single right now, and
What?
I'm going through hard times.
He left you?
Yes, I caught that bastard kissing my mom
You
in the
caught her
kitchen.
kissing your mom in your kitchen?
Yes, I did. And to make
Oh,
things
man.
worse, I just lost my
You just got
job.
fired.
Yes.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
Hello.
Lord.
Hello, are you
Still
there?
winning. Yes.
What are you doing? Screaming or something?
Yes.
Hello?
I'm still winning.
Hello.
Hello?
Were you screaming?
Nah, I wasn't screaming. I got a call on the next line.
Just can you
I'ma
just
have
talk
to call
me
you
for
back,
1
alright?
second, please?
All right.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you.
When your ex is fucked up, when your ex is fucked up, when your ex is...
Bomba, dog. Your ex just post a new one. Dog, not interested, dog. You sure you want to see it? Dog, positive, dog. I'm sure that's some waste, man, dog. Nah, dog, man, look at the waste one still, dog. Let me see. Dog. Oh, the I'm mad in my world, dog. This someone I got really get to come back. Say that, say it. Waste, man. Say it with me. Waste, man, dog. How is that? Where am I, dog? I'm my dog. Watch. I'll call her now. I'll show you who my boss is. Call her now. Hello?
Jesus Christ, what's time to stop calling my phone?
Listen, you want me back? Me don't want you back. Yeah. Come on for my phone. Yeah. Shut up, though.
I went there, my youth. The girl drive and lick my car down. Oh, she finna that? Nice to food. Stay up on the car. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what's wrong, babe?
Hey, you just used the bathroom?
Yeah, I just took a number 2.
No, that smell like 22. What you eat?
I just had a little pasta.
It smell like you eat doo-doo and you just doo-doo out the doo-doo.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, you need a wash out and an exorcism because that don't smell healthy. Girl doo-doo enough it stinks so. You smell like rotten milk mixed with vomit. It smell like one chicken coop. In there smell like old people morning breath. It smell like 2 skunk have sex in there.
Whatever. You're not perfect, you know.
No, you have to sleep on the couch tonight. But you look stink yourself.
Not moving. Go inside if you think you're bad. You're too outside. When you come here, you walk on lock off light. One two.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
We are here to do a disconnection at this premises.
Disconnection, your brother and your sister, you're not coming here. We're supervisor there. A commissioner not looking up. Oh.
Sir?
What?
Your bill is overdue.
Bill overdue what? The bill paid 3 hours ago. On the 2 outer order money. Now look, Rambo. Sick him, Rambo.
3 hours ago when we left the office, you were still in the red, sir.
In the red, I was in a red that don't concern you too damn fast and outer order. Come in everything you might call lock off my life. Right? A commissioner now go for your supervisor. Get up on the cellular and make her conversate with her.
Conversate with her, sir. Sir, we have to do a disconnection.
Come in here and disconnect, you know. Come in here and disconnect. Rambo, sick him, no? I said sick him. I feel this smile, you know. There's them of the kind like a hungry mongrel. Sick him.
Susan, what you do?
I shoot him. For what? I don't know, him just look weird. Him look weird. Jesus. It's okay, I know a guy. Who? Jamie the lawyer. Jesus. Tell me more, him can save me? Tell me more about him now. Prince, Prince, hello, may I talk to you? This Jamie guy, I think him can sort out my green card issues. Oh yeah, that's what I want to talk to you about. So him said that's an easy fix, him can sort out for you. 1, 2. Allah! Yep, so he can stop swim across ocean for beat the people him can pitney. You think him can help Shanshan? Oh, I'm to Shanshan. She kinda have some criminal charges against her. She and her boyfriend, they have some problems. Yeah, that's his specialty, so she good. Really? Tell me more about this lawyer. I'm sounding very interesting. Where do I start? He's a former prosecutor in West Palm Beach and Miami-Dade. This man has fought for Florida. Let him fight for you, my nigga. He'll give you free consultations. The most flexible payment plan I ever see. DUI starting at $999. You remember the lawyer that fought for OJ? Johnny Cochran? Yeah, he's better.
This is Digital Customer Care and you have owned us $1,000 credit. $1,000 credit, okay, even borrow so much? Can't even go pick a line and call them. That is digital thing I didn't even make no sense. And if you don't repay your loan today, we'll be calling the police. I'll call them. I'll call them.
Yeah, okay. Let's sing along with Elmo.
Hey, I like bitch with your mess. Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants. Hey, my bitch don't love me no more. Hey, she kick me out on life, bro.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
You told him to come outside? I told him to come outside 15 minutes ago. What's taking him so long? You know he takes dumb long. He's probably arguing with his mom. Yo, deadass. He's always arguing with his mom. That could be it, son.
Yo. So take so long, dogs.
What took you so long, son?
You don't know how them things go.
What happened to you?
Yo, man, you. I made it at the house. I try to look for my shots and my mother gonna come up to me about some. You wash your face from morning. You brush your teeth from morning. Like you're not done 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Of course, I did them things already. Like, man, what should they top?
But what happened to your face?
I should get my top on my attitude with your boxing knife face with the hot spoon. But me don't care, dog. Me still a bad man. Bad man don't take them things there, you know. And me don't tell you, me not pitney, you know. Me not gonna take them things there.
Anyway,
you can't tell me nothing, you know. Me not take nothing, you know. None of them things there. Oh, hold on. Yes, mommy. But I'm already outside.
What happened?
Soon come,
what she say?
I forgot to make up my bed. Hold on.
Inside my dream to search for you. Looking like a dream come true. Cause you make my dream come true. Baby, I will stand by you.
Me know, mommy. Donald Trump has sent everybody back. Even if you have a green card. Me need to find an American girl to get married to. Well, I'm gonna call you back. Damn, baby, you're so beautiful.
Can I get you guys something to drink?
Oh yeah, let me get some fine wine for this beautiful lady, and I'll take a Heineken.
All right. Can I see some ID, please?
Oh yeah.
Are you Jamaican?
Yeah. What are you?
I'm Mexican.
Mexican? Yeah. Damn, she Mexican. We in the same boat. We both about to get deported. Hey man, catch that order. Hey baby, my cat's dog died. I gotta go.
What the hell? Amiga, I told you he wasn't from New York. I need to find an American guy right now.
What's going on here? What's going on here?
Man, I didn't see you, man. I really didn't see you.
Oh, you could not see me by there too, son, boy.
I was texting and driving. I didn't see you, man. Can you, like, forgive me, bro?
Forgiveness? I will show you forgiveness. You wait right there. Wait right there. Well, let's see right here the good word that the Lord says now, boy. But it's a Bible, boy.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Camille Clark. Peace.